Assalamu alaikum dear students. Ma'am Shabina from MPS Okada Middle Boys Campus is here to tell you about globes and maps. At the end of this lesson you will be familiarized the difference between globes and maps, hemispheres, longitudes, latitudes, prime meridian and equatorial line. So let's start our lesson. Difference between globe and map. A globe is a sphere shape that represents अर्थ. ग्लोब एक स्फीयर शेप मॉडल है, या ग्लोब एक स्फीयर शेप है विच represent the earth, while a map is a flat model of earth's feature. जबकि मैप आप अर्थ्स के फीचर को शो करने के लिए, किसी भी स्पेसिफिक एरिया को शो करने के लिए, किसी भी कंट्री को, वहाँ के फीचर्स को शो करने के लिए आप यूज़ करते हैं. So globe is a sphere shape, while a map is a flat model of Earth's feature. Earth is divided into two hemispheres. Before discussing about hemispheres, you must to know what is the meaning of hemisphere. Hemi means half and sphere means circle. So hemisphere means half circle. If you see, there is a line, prime meridian, which is drawn from north to south. It's a vertical line, from north to south, and this prime meridian line is an imaginary line that runs from north pole to the south pole, and it divides the earth into two halves vertically. The eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere, which lies to the east of the prime meridian 0. The east of the prime meridian 0. So prime meridian is a line which divides the earth vertically from north to south, and it divides the earth. ये ज़मीन को दो हिस्सों में तकसीम करी है. One is the first hemisphere is called eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. The second is equatorial line, divide the earth horizontally. This is equator, and the equator is an imaginary line drawn around the center of the earth horizontally. So it divides the earth into two halves, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So prime meridian divides the earth vertically, eastern and western hemisphere, while equatorial line, which is drawn from east to west, divides the earth into northern and southern hemisphere. Next is if you see this picture, this is equator. As I have told you that equator is an imaginary line which is drawn from east to west, and the lines, latitudes are the lines which are parallel to equator, latitudes वो लाइंस हैं जो कि इक्वेटर के पैरेलल होती हैं. Globes and maps are divided with imaginary lines that run from east to west parallel to the equator. ये इक्वेटर की लाइन है और इसके पैरेलल ड्रॉ की गई लाइंस लैटिट्यूड कहलाती हैं. So it is quite easy to remember the latitudes are the lines which are parallel to equator, and while the longitude lines are parallel to prime meridian, mean वर्टिकली जो डिवीजन है अर्थ की पैरेलल टू प्राइम मेरिडियन लाइन फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ पोल आर कॉल्ड longitudes. Globes and maps are also divided by imaginary lines that runs from north to south, and these are called lines of longitudes. These are lines of longitudes. So latitudes are the lines which are parallel to equator, and longitudes are the lines which are parallel to prime meridian. And when these lines combines, they make a grid, and grid can be used to locate places on a map. We use the grid. If you see, here are horizontal lines which are parallel to equator, and vertical lines which are from north to south pole. So when these lines are combined, it makes a grid. यहाँ पे देखें grid के blocks बने हुए. So this grid is used to locate the places, to locate the oceans, to locate the subcontinents, and whatever you want to find. So this is our today's lesson, and now get a recap of the lesson. Equator is an imaginary line which is drawn from east to west, and it divides the earth into two halves, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, while the parallel lines to equator are latitudes. While prime meridian line is an imaginary line जो कि ड्रॉ की गई है from north to south, and it divides the earth into two hemisphere, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere, and the lines parallel to prime meridian are called longitudes. And when these longitude and latitude lines are combined, they make a grid, and we use this grid to locate the places, oceans, and whatever we want to find. Now at the end of this lesson, we have an activity for you. You people have to take a globe and try to make or try to get familiarized with the locations of continents, oceans of the world. आप एक मैप लें, एक ग्लोब लें और कोशिश करें कि उसमें से आप कॉन्टिनेंट्स को, ओशंस को आप लोकेट कर सकें, उनकी लोकेशंस को फाइंड आउट करें, उनको मार्क करें, एंड टेक अ ब्लैंक पेपर and try to draw the equatorial line and draw the parallel lines of equator and prime meridian line, and draw the parallel lines to prime meridian, longitudes and latitudes. So take your page, do your work, and please use your time constructively and give a good feedback to your teachers. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.